Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about biotechnology and how it touches our life in our everyday life. So after you watch this video, then you're going to go back over to your Canvas course and you're going to answer some questions. So biotechnology, whether you believe it or not, touches your everyday life. So it's everywhere we look. Chances are you are looking at some part of your life that is the science of biotechnology. And it's made it better. That's the whole purpose of biotechnology. So thinking about it this way, has a member of your family been vaccinated against chickenpox? Do you know someone that has diabetes? Or do you have a family member that's been diagnosed with cancer, leukemia, lymphoma? Okay, so this is how it's improved it. Okay, so biotechnology is improving our health for hundreds of years. So biotechnology has been around and been improving our health for many years. So how does it improve our everyday life? Sometimes biotechnology has the biggest impact in the place you never notice. So the foods that we eat, so cornflakes, bread, milk, vanilla, and oil, okay, all those things are made from biotechnology. So also we get cheese, okay, because it's a process. 70% of processed foods, cotton clothing, plastics, new fuels, and bioremediation, okay. Biotechnology has brought us medicines. It's helped with our, kind of determine our DNA and what's in it. We'll talk a little bit about the golden rice and then the disease diagnosis. We'll talk a little bit about this stuff later. This is just kind of bringing you into biotechnology and kind of what it's about. So in the future, so the biotechnology industry is hoped to cure cancer and diabetes and help reduce our negative environmental impact. Okay, so all these things that happen in the environment, they're hoping that they can reduce those impacts. Okay, so what you're going to do, because you're virtual today, you are going to take this piece of paper on your Canvas course that's already up there. So you're going to go over to your Canvas course and I'm going to show you where to go. And you are going to answer these questions. So the questions are already there. All you have to do is answer them in complete sentences. Make sure you answer questions 1 through 4 in complete sentences. So you guys will go to your Fundamentals of Biotechnology tab, this tab, but I have it stored somewhere else. So it's where of course you're going to go to your modules. That's where everything's at in your class. Okay, and then you guys will see everywhere you look questions. So you'll click on that and then it'll pull it up into another tab. And then we got to wait for it to load. And then you will see your questions. Okay, mine's being slow for some reason. And you'll see your directions, so you need to watch the video first and then complete sentences. So make sure you're answering these questions in complete sentences. If you have any questions, you can always email Ms. Wallace.